Back in here like swimwear on this beautiful fall day. What's up? Another Codewars exercise, and this is Find the Vowels, and gonna do this one today in C++. Instruction-wise, it says we want to know the index of vowels in a given word. For example, there are two vowels in the word super, the second and the fourth letters. So given a string super, we should return a list of 2, 4. So, looking at the examples, the idea is you get a string and you return the indices of the vowels, but there's a little bit of a catch because the indices you give are not 0-based indices. They are 1-based. So you may end up doing a +1, and that's really what I'm going to do. Let's look at yo mama, my favorite term, of course. And also the vowels include Y. That's another thing. So a lot of these exercises don't include Y as a vowel, but this one does. So you look at yo mama, the Y is included as a vowel, and you see a 1 here. You know, normally, of course, this is index 0, but in this exercise, it's index 1, and the O is index 2. So not 0-based, these are 1-based. And another thing here is that it includes upper and lowercase letters, so we've got to accommodate for that. So we do have some uppercase drama where we've got to match vowels in the uppercase as well as the lowercase. So with that intro and those instructions, I'm going to get started on this one. Got my function set up over here. They're nice enough to give me a vector already, so I'll use that vector for my return stuff. What I'm going to do first is create the set of vowels. I'm going to create lowercase vowels, A-E-I-O-U-Y, and Y. Yeah. Because I've got to match uppercase and lowercase. And so, yeah, I'm going to use this string of vowels to match against the word that I'm going to loop through. What I'm going to do is I'm going to loop through the characters in the word, then loop through the string of vowels, and if the character in the word matches one of the vowels, I'm going to record the index +1. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to first start. I keep always saying first, but I'm going to do this, and I'm not going to use int. I'm going to use size t. Size t is an unsigned integer type. And it's going to loop through the word. Is it? Wait a minute. Word size. Yeah, word is a string. Is it? Yeah, coming in as a string. Just verifying here. Well, size t will work as well. And it's word I++. All right, coming in here. And I'm looping through. So yeah, these are both strings. I'm just kind of resetting myself here. inside the inner loop, I'm going to check for equivalence. If this character of the word equals one of the vowels, I am going to add it to my vector. Didn't say much about this, but this vector that they provide here with the exercise, I'm going to store my indices in the vector. So I'm going to do that via the beautiful method pushback, oddly named in my opinion. And so I'm gonna append or push back the index, but the index or the index it's kind of funny. It's going to be the index plus 1 because we're not 0 based, we're 1 based. So we're going to go plus 1. So I'm going to do that. And at the conclusion of these two loops, I'm going to have my indexes or indices plus 1 to return. And the return statement's already here, beautifully provided by the author of this exercise. So this might be good enough to go. Looks good. With the test and try the attempt. Yeah, looks good. All right. Well, that puts a wrap on it. Looks good, works. You guys take a look at the code, do your own better version, and tell me about it. Or not. It's up to you. But hope you liked it. And with that outro, I am out. See y'all later.